A few things I want to talk about right now is I saw earlier, I have friends hit me up as well about this, was people talking about the dip, right? So at one point today during the stock market, it was down, right? Everybody was saying it's a dip, everything is in red, yada yada yada, so on and so forth. Um, and I saw a problem with that because some groups that I'm in, stock groups that I'm in, people are saying sell, 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 and what I want to say about that is that that's dangerous. Just because you see it going down, don't think the sky is falling. Like this is a stock market. We're gonna have days of it going down, days of it going up. Like we need to relax. RELAX. Relax, right? If you did your research on the stock that you invested in and you feel confident about it, and it's something that you you check the income, you check the debt, you check the market cap, you check some innovations, you check maybe partnerships they have coming up. You see how they're innovating to stay competitive in the next 5, 10, X amount of years. So trust your research, you know. Um Trust your research going in and stay in because of it too. That's why I tell people all the time, when you buy a stock, you buy a stock for the next 20, 25, 30 years. Like you're not buying to then sell the next day. If you do that, that's it's gonna be hard to win in the stock market. You know, um, the longer the longer you hold on to a stock or intend to hold on to a stock, is a higher percentage of you getting paid from the stock. So that's why I tell people with the intention, when you buy stock, do it the intention of holding it forever, right? If you can, hold it forever, right? Unless there's something crazy goes on that needs immediate attention. Other than that, hold it forever. You know, um, nothing to the mindset of the dips is like this is the best time to buy. When the stock market drops, it's the best time to buy. It's like the equivalent of Black Friday, right? And we all know Black Friday is a day that comes around once a year, and I was gonna say it's a day after Thanksgiving, but a lot of companies now are starting their Black Friday on November 1st, right? They're never waiting for after Thanksgiving. They're doing it way before Thanksgiving started. Um, but around those times, those are the times where the prices are the lowest of the year, quote unquote, right? That's what's marketed as, and people are trying to shop at that moment because the prices are at the lowest, right? Nobody's talking about selling that day unless you're a business owner. But consumers, people are thinking about buying that day because the prices drop, the prices are low. So so we need to have that same mindset with the stock market. If you bought a stock, for example, at $25 and it went down to 22, buy more. Buy more of the stock. Like, because if you bought it at 25, right, if you liked it enough to buy it at 25 and it goes down to 23 or lower, you're damn sure gonna love it at that price too. So buy the stock as well. Buy more of it. There's no reason for you to see a dip, see like a red day or red moment, really, and panic. Do not panic. And if people around you panicking, just shut them out for a moment. Just shut them out. Period. Right? Have your mind ready. Like you did your research, right? You made your play, you made your move. Let it grow, right? Let your move grow. There's no need for you to run and sell just because everybody's telling you to sell. Same thing is the opposite. There's no reason to go run and buy just because everybody's buying, right? Part of this, being in the stock market is having a mentality and be your own person. If you follow the crowd, it's gonna get dangerous. It's going to get real dangerous. Do not follow the crowd. Take your time. Take your time. Do your research. Right? Just because something's trending, right? Just don't go out there and put all my money in this because it's trending. Right? I know a few people, I've heard a few people on the news who made big money off the GameStop play. And I know some people personally who lost on that GameStop play because they got in too late. Okay, once you start hearing on the news and all over the place, your friends telling you, your your girlfriends or your boyfriends, um, cousins telling you, like that's when it's probably too late. It's too late at that point. So the main thing with this, part I'm trying to say is play your own game, right? Know what you want to do. Don't be forced into doing things that you see people doing and you want to do it as well, right? And when you see it on the news, it's probably a little bit too late, And if you don't know right now, like the news is like really meant to scare you, right? In the stock market, in some cases, because you watch CNBC, for example, or Bloomberg, um, well, mainly CNBC, right? And when the market's up, right, you see green all over the place, you think it's good, and you see market booming. You have all this like good energy, good feeling, really, and you may be enticed to buy, right? And we see it red, right? Um, Market crashing, it was on a dip, it's a big sell off, and you think sell. Like if you follow that, you follow those emotions, you're gonna lose in the stock market. Period. Right. Um, so best time to buy is when everyone is selling. And the best time to sell is when everybody's buying, right? The whole point of to make money is to buy low, sell high.